Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about disabling apps on your Samsung phone, Samsung Galaxy phone perhaps. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up the settings menu on your phone, and you want to select the apps button underneath settings. So go ahead and select that. And then you want to select the all apps button up at the top, and then either search this field manually for your app, or you can select a little magnifying glass up at the top to go find it quicker. And then once you found the app in question you want to disable, just select it and then the disable button under the app. Select disable app in that little pop-up screen, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.